Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the red lace dress for our customer. We've already chosen the design and the fabrics. We've also made the pattern. Today we'll cut the dress, tack the net and lace to it, and we'll also show you the fitting. Now we'll cut the front and the back till the yokes. We'll also cut lace. It should copy the silk details. We add 2 cm for the side seams for the fitting. We've made the dress just a bit narrow at the bottom. By the time you'll watch these videos, the event we're making this dress for will be long over. When we finish cutting silk, we'll cut the lace. Remember that when you cut lace with scallops, they should be placed evenly. Now we need to decide where we'll make the fold and make the scallops match. I'll make the fold here. This is going to be the center front. Place the patterns in such way and make a fold on the center front. We need to make a fold either on the center of a scallop or in between them. Be very attentive. Now the scallops match. We can continue working. We don't have enough lace to make a one-piece flounce, so we'll have to make it of several pieces stitched together. We'll also attach the pieces of the narrow lace. Silk and lace are already cut, so now we're cutting the net for the yokes. While Svetlana is cutting the net, I need to decide what to do with the flounce. This is the piece of lace we have left for the flounce. We'll cut it in half, so this is how it will look like. It's not enough, so we'll attach this lace here. When we stitch everything, we'll show you how the flounce will look like. Now I want you to watch how Svetlana works. She's a professional tailor, so you should learn from her. She'll show you how to tack the center of the darts, how to tack the lace to the silk. This is what we need to do first. We also need to tack the center front. Every tailor has his or her own techniques. This is how Svetlana tacks lace to silk. She makes wide bias stitches. I know that she's an amazing tailor, so I don't interfere her work. Have a look at the bottom. We want to overcast silk and leave the lace this way. Maybe we'll overcast silk even more. We'll decide at the fitting. Notice how we tack the darts. The center is already tacked, so we fold the dart and tack it. One dart is already tacked. This is how the dart should be tacked. We've tacked the center in order to tack the silk together with lace. This is the only right way to do it. Have a look at this dart from the right side. Now we can start taking the yolks to the front and to the back. This is what Svetlana is doing now. The first detail is ready. Svetlana is taking the back, and I'm cutting the scallops in order not to waste time. I've already told you that when cutting such lace, you need to leave these ends. They make lace look amazing. I'll cut the other side this way too. While Svetlana is cutting lace, I'm trying to tack the flounce. I'm attaching the two types of lace to each other. This is how I do it. I think that the dress will be amazing. I also need to gather the flounce. You should always cut the edges. The front is ready. Bottom, center, darts. The back is also ready. Now we'll tack the side and the shoulder seams. I continue working with the flounce. Svetlana is taking the side seams, and I'm gathering the flounce. I do it just for feedin now. Now Svetlana is taking the shoulder seams. You need to be very careful when working with net. The flounce is also ready for the fitting. That's all for today. Next time the customer will try the dress on, and we will make all the needed adjustments. Be different and beautiful. Web augšte Irina, Svetlana and Inga. Goodbye.